हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल पिंकिश कॉर्नर। उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ कुछ ब्यूटी हैक्स और आई शेड्स कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं और चंद एक मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
F1.
You 3 different blush placements that will completely change your face. First, of course, grab your favorite blush. Today I'm using a cream one to better show what I'm doing. So first, if you want to lift your face and look a bit more youthful, we're going to do my favorite, which is the lifted blush look. And to do this, all you do is take the blush and you want to apply it on the very high points of your cheekbones, right where you would put your highlighter. I even like to blend it up near the eye, and then I just take my beauty sponge and I'm going to lightly tap this in. As you can see, that instantly lifted the cheek and gave a nice little natural facelift. Next, if you want to achieve a more full look to the face, you can take a little bit of blush and apply it right in the center of the cheek like so. This will give you a more doll-like and round effect to the face. And lastly, for a very youthful and fun summer look, you can take the blush and do the sun kiss technique, which is just placing the blush all over the bridge of the nose. And instantly it looks like you just came back from a day at the beach.